Unga X Nords, guys. So, they have it. I think bagong character. Yes. Mask. And then, ito. Tropang tambay. Galing. Nice. Tapos, ito, Sputnik. Isang character, naka-acrylic siya. And then, ito for, I think, i-assemble mo siya. Ito. Which is, ito yung model lighting, guys. Siya. Tapos ito siya. Comes with box, tapos ikaw na yung magbubo. Nice. Then, another character would be Vito, guys. And then, si Sputnik, guys. Ayan. Galing. Oh, si Kara nandun.
So, itong walang driver.
Okay. So, 2 sets of seats siya, guys. Yung isa is, ito lang siya, and then, yung may driver na isa. Yung isang seat is may driver, guys. Tapos ito. So, depende sa inyo. Ayan. Galing. Oh, okay. Nice. Ayan siya, guys. So, 2 sets of heads din, guys. Grabe yung effort. Grabe yung detail. Kinagandaan dito, guys. Rolling wheels to, guys, ha. Hindi siya, ano. Ayan siya. Ganda na material pati, oh. Galing. Ayan din nakita ito siya. And then yung brown. Nice. So, removable pala, guys, yung helmet niya, guys. Ayun siya. Diba? Ayan, detail pa lang ng helmet. Yes, tingnan nyo naman yan. Ayan, guys. Kasi yung seat niya, guys, pwede rin siya sa ledge, guys. Nice. Kung mga kailangan nyo ng mga desk bodies nyo, yan. Perfect to sa mga desk bodies nyo.